based on the output. So this is what it looks like from a high level using the Node-RED flow, and it creates this dashboard over here with all the different symbols using those open source graphical libraries. So this is what's included in the condition monitoring kit, this dashboard and the code. So when you can see me waving around this Bosch sensor, it's changing in real time. It has an update every second.
Oh, okay.
And so that's what's happening in real time with the sensor. And included, this is an example of our condition monitoring kit. Once you plug it in under 10 minutes, you're to this position here where you're monitoring that data, and you're actually going to get a feel for how you can use that data, where you can put it, how you can integrate it into your operations so that you can start to make intelligent business decisions around that.
And of course, like you said, open share Linux systems. So if within the facility, if they wanted to share this information with other employees,
yep.
They just need to log in and get the username, password, and they can have that, right?
Yeah, all the information can live here on the MICA itself. This is actually a web interface, so you're communicating this through any web browser, any sort of client that's on the same network as the MICA has access to the dashboards that are located on the device, but it's just as easy to connect it to any backend system you might already have at your facility, maybe a cloud infrastructure like AWS or Google IoT Core, to be able to push that data to a common place that's accessible from anywhere.
Gotcha. Great, thank you.